Toyota Legion. Ikke akkurat mye som modell, men det en Toyota Legion som portugisisk.
Mr. Ronald Hill, that was a pretty bad fall you had out there. How do you feel now?
I feel lucky that I didn't break this arm again, but I feel in a little bit of pain with some cuts, but still alive, and hopefully I'll be running tomorrow morning. Well, I definitely will be running tomorrow morning before I return to England.
What is the story about your arm?
I was on the Greek island of Santorini, and one morning, 2 days before we came home, I decided to run up this very steep mountain to a place called Ancient Thera, which I did. And on the way down, near the bottom, I took my eye off the road, tripped, and fell down, hitting this hand on the road, and the shock went straight up the arm and broke my humerus bone in 3 places. And when I ran 3 kilometers the next day, it was very, very painful.
And you have run a lot of marathons in your life. In which countries in the world have you run?
Oh, I can't tell you all of them off my top of my head, but I've run Australia, I've run in the Falkland Islands, that's far away, I've run in Cambodia, I've been in the Olympics in Japan and in Mexico City. I've done raced in most of the South American countries, so almost everywhere.
A beer is good after running?
They say so, and I agree with them.